Merry Christmas to you all. Hello and welcome once again to Abenero's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this correct Ghanaian chicken light soup. Let's get right into it. To my blender, I have onion, garlic, ginger, scallion, green bell peppers. I put in some herbs. There's parsley, sage, rosemary, thyme. I've added my habanero pepper and I'm adding water, aniseed. I'll blend until it is very smooth. This is what I'll be using to steam my meat. To my soup pot, I have my very well cleaned chicken. I added my tomato paste, my chicken seasoning, salt, a little bit of curry powder, okay? If you have nutmeg, go ahead and add that as well. And then I added my blended vegetables. I'll give it a nice stir and I'll cover this to allow it to steam for about 10 minutes. If today is your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you. Now, 10 minutes later, I checked on my meat. I'm giving it a nice stir. And then I'll go ahead to add in some whole onions, some carrots, celery, fresh tomatoes, more habanero peppers, and then I'll cover and allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Hello to my amazing returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for sharing my video on your various platforms. God richly bless you. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. 10 minutes later, the vegetables are tender, so I'm going to remove everything out. I'll blend it and then bring it back into the soup. I really enjoy making my chicken soup this way. And please note, anytime you're making chicken soup, make sure your chicken is very well steamed. Steam your chicken for at least 20 minutes in the blended herbs and vegetables, and your soup will taste delicious. So I've added in more water, and please add the water according to your pot size. I'll allow this to boil for about 15 minutes, and this is the time to adjust your seasoning cube or salt. So I'm adding in just about half of my seasoning cube. I'll adjust the salt, and then I'll add in some more habanero pepper for extra heat. You want your chicken soup to be a little spicy or have a little kick. And at this point, the soup is almost done. So I allowed it to simmer for about 20 minutes on medium flame. And then I was working on my fufu. Guys, you can enjoy this soup with rice or any starch of choice. And don't forget your fresh basil. It takes the soup to another level. This soup is full of natural herbs, okay? So I hope you give this a try. And if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. My chicken soup is done, and look at how the oil has settled on top beautifully. So we'll be enjoying this with fufu, like I said. And I hope you give this a try. If you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. I'll make sure to leave all ingredients in my description. And please go ahead and check my other soup videos as well. We make delicious, simple recipes on this channel. Follow me on all social media platforms: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube. God bless you, and please have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye, guys.